stop, and needle goes up, and you can also cut the thread. It also comes with several different stitches, decorative stitches, buttonhole, and also you have the alphabet. You can make a quilt label for your machine if you want. The machines are going to be available for purchase. They will be a discounted price, and if you like to reserve your machine, stop in at the store or give us a call. The 4120 is a great first-time machine, and it's also great for somebody that would like to have a second machine for if they're doing classes. It only weighs 14 pounds. The machine comes with an extension table. It comes with a little toolbox for your tools and your different feet. It comes with a walking foot and stippling, if you like to do that, and then a 1/4 inch foot for your quilting. It also has a open toe F foot for decorative stitches.